That's a piece of shit.
Hello everyone, welcome. Now today we're going to be fixing a fan in this HP Probook 6360B, as you can see here. It's not the best machine, but we're going to be fixing the fan inside of it. It's got an Intel Core i5. It originally came with Windows 7. The ports are Ethernet, 2 USB, your disk drive, whatever the hell this is, an SD card slot, one VGA port, you got your charging port obviously, you got whatever that is, another USB port, and a SATA cable port, or USB, whatever that is, and a headphone mic jack. On the back you have literally nothing besides a ventilation thing. Now, on the bottom is where we're going to be accessing everything. So, here's how we're going to remove the back piece, but first we need to take out the battery. So we're going to, there we go. Basic battery. This one's like super trash though. Alright, now here is how to replace it. Just gotta click this button here, and it'll come off. You didn't even put this RAM in right, Anthony, but you gotta stick it in this slot right here. Push down, and boom, it's done. That's
Oh!
Okay. So the second one.
No, there isn't a... That's the only one here. That's literally the only one there. Alright. Here's the fan. That's what we're going to be replacing today. This is the hard drive. Here's where your core is, under the heatsink. There's your internet chip. And there's other components in here, like the disk drive. So, we're going to be replacing the fan with this new one. Oops, sorry. New one from Amazon.
Yeah, I just realized we shouldn't show that. No. Bad.
Cool. Alright, so okay. So what we have here is the fan. Hopefully it came with the fucking cord. Okay, so here's the replacement fan. There's fucking dirt on it. I'm wondering if this even actually fucking works. Anyhow, let's get to it, shall we? Okay, so for the first order of business, you take out the screw. Then you take out the screw over here, which is in there. After you've done that, then you pull out this cord right here. Then, there you go.
That shit really dirty.
Yeah. Here's the replacement fan. Let's put this over there. Now we're going to take the replacement fan, and we're going to shove this piece in there, and then shove slightly back. Then you're gonna plug in your thing. Okay, finally, after you get the damn thing plugged in, after you get it finally plugged in, then take your little screwdriver and screw in this back one. Make sure it's nice and tight. You're gonna screw in this one.
Satisfying.
Alright, then after that, should be good. Then you just take your trashy part, never use it again.
You take that trash pot and you sell it.
Then you put the back case on.
If possible.
So, thank you all for watching, and see you in the next tech video, where we show you something about computer tech.
Bye. That sounds so much fucking better. Look, you can't even... Well, you can't even look. But you can hear that there's... You can't hear the fan anymore. Come here, take it. Right there. You can, like... You can hear it just barely. But yeah.